YouTube? It's your boy E-Man back at it again with another video, and this one is an exciting one. Today we have the unboxing of the brand new MacBook Pro 13-inch. This is the one with the M1 chip Apple announced last week. So this is going to be an exciting one. Lucky to get it within the first week that it came here. So let's get into it. see, MacBook is connected to my 4K and it's running perfectly fine. The Dell Ultra Sharp through USB-C, but it's a pretty good machine, fast, performance-wise. It's powerful, it's capable. I would definitely recommend it. It's pretty clean, nice looking, well built. And I think the future of this is going to be really bright with the M1 chip. It's very, very, very capable with a lot of things that it can do, hopefully in the near future, with as developers get with more softwares updated and such. So thanks for watching this one. Stay tuned for more videos coming out, PlayStation and the other guys coming. So subscribe, like, comment, share, and see you in the next one.